I have the Glossybox for the month of April. This is going to be a quick little unboxing. They do send this to me for review purpose, so this is a PR box. I'm a little late this month because, not because the box came late, but I was on vacation in Puerto Rico and I just got back, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox this with you guys. So this is April's box. It's in the classic pink Glossybox color, and then when you open this up, they always have this beautiful tissue paper and a little ribbon just in case you've never seen a Glossybox. So it kind of comes like a little gift for yourself, which I think is just like a super cute detail. Okay, and then, okay, this month I don't have a pamphlet in here. Usually I have like a little pamphlet that tells me the prices, and this month I don't. So we're just going to look at the stuff that's in here. First up is the Suwasu Advanced First Care. This is an activating serum. It says that it's an anti-aging booster facial serum. It has a Jahum activator that helps bring out youth potential and a healthy natural glow. So it just, oh, it's just like this cute little bottle. And this is actually made in Korea. So this is Korean skincare, which I definitely want to try out. Oh, it's a little pump, so that's really cute. I will definitely try out because, oh my God, if you haven't seen BTS, like their skin, my God, I want to know their skin regimens. If anyone knows where you can find their freaking skin regimen, because they are flawless. And you would think they're like 15 and 18, and dudes are like almost 30. I think some of them are already 30. Okay, next thing in here is the Melirodriguezyt Cosmetics Gel Liner. This is in this shade Truffle. I think I will be giving this forward. I have like 4 black liners and this is just another black liner, so I will definitely be gifting this to someone who can use it. I am trying not to, you know, hoard products. Oh, so it's actually a brown one. I have 4 brown ones open as well. And oh God, the tip is broken and it's like smashed all the way to the top. So I might keep this just because I don't want to give somebody something that's broken. I will sharpen it and try to use it. So this is just like a dark brown, but the tip was broken all the way on the inside. The next thing in here is the Neolistin Revitalize and Firm Eye Cream. This is a really great like size. It seems like it's full size because it's 0.3 ounces, and this will last you a great while. And it is a very nice emollient, like thick cream. Just really nice. I have never heard of neoplastin, but it sounds fancy. And this is made in the USA. Next thing in here are some little scrunchies for the hair. I will be keeping these because I love these, especially like to be in the house. They're just so comfy. I don't necessarily wear these out in public. I don't feel like they're, I don't know, I'm not into that style, but I do like them for around the house. They're just super, super comfy. And this is by the brand XOXO. So that is what the brand looks like right there. I have never heard this, but this is from Los Angeles and they're made in China. And they're, oh, see, they're for the house. They're called 3-piece satin sleep scrunchies. So I guess you can actually sleep in these, but I'm someone, I cannot have anything on my head at all whatsoever when I go to sleep. And then the last thing in here, oh no, there's 2 more things. Okay, so then the next thing in here is the Stress Check Sleep Lotion. This is a comforting body lotion with lavender and chamomile. Whew, I will be rubbing this all over myself because I lately have been just having so many issues with my anxiety, and this is supposed to help calm and nourish and have like shea butter and chamomile sedative oils. It's supposed to have 98% natural sleep support with lavender, chamomile, and patchouli essential oils. So I will be trying this out, see if I can just lather it all over around my neck and maybe be able to sleep a little bit better. Okay, I put these nails by Glamnetic, and they're a style that I'm not used to. They're like these really pointy style. I'm not sure if I really like them. They're just a little too edgy for me, but I thought that they were cute, so I was like, you know, try it at least once. Okay, so a really nice, just really rubs into the skin. Oh yeah, that just like, That's so soothing for nighttime. So I will be trying this out and see if it like huzzahs me. You know, I'm just like, breathe, girl, you got this. I'm trying to just be like, it is what it is. Get it. Be happy. Move it forward. You know, sometimes in life, life can just be so overwhelming and stressful. Anyways, the last thing in here is the Lash Food Conditioning Collagen Lash Primer. And I'm not sure if you use this before mascara. Oh yeah, you definitely do. So this looks like a lash primer before mascara. I will be using this. I am all about lashes. I absolutely love using new lash. Anything to help with my lashes, help them grow, help them maintain, I love. So I will definitely be giving this a go and putting this into my lash drawer. And that is everything that came in the box. I don't have a total value for you guys because I don't have the price points with me today. But an overall really great box. I really like, especially like the scrunchies, the little Korean face care, the lash food, and then the lotion. The eye cream is really nice as well, and the liner, but I have just so many in my collection. But I feel like overall it's a really nice box. More skincare, a little like just one thing of makeup. It's just, I feel like Glossybox, most of their stuff is geared towards like skincare and like self-care and stuff like that. So it just depends on what you're looking for with a subscription box. But let me know what you guys thought of this month's box. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, hit that red button. I do have social media down below. You can follow me and those links down below. My TikTok is just for fun, and then I do like flat lays and makeup looks and such over on my Instagram. So definitely check them out down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.